na lumapit sa akin kung sino ang nakakaalam ng month o buwan na sinagot ni bride si groom. Come on! Okay lang. What's your name? Magpakilala ka muna. Hanggang saan?
Ako po si Jasmine Rosa Sila.
Your answer is
May.
May? Is that correct? Wrong. Sorry. Sino nakakalam mo?
February.
February is correct. Your answer is correct. Alright. Anong taon naman sinagot ni bride si groom? Come. Dalawa sila.
2019.
2019. Tanungin mo natin yung isa. Say correct. Thank you so much. Ilang taon naman silang mag-boyfriend and girlfriend? Come on. Your answer is
7 years.
7 years is the correct answer. Alright, your answer is correct. Is correct. Saang lugar naman madalas nilang puntahan? Sino nakakakita? Sino nakakakita? What's your name? What's your name?
Diana.
Taga saan si Diana?
Kukao.
Pero bago yan, sample kita muna ng... One! Hey! Yeah! Right, your answer is...
Kapilya.
Kapila is the correct answer. Your answer is... Wow! Is wow! Thank you so much. Last question we have. Lumapit sa akin at tumakbo sa akin ang nakakalang ng tawagan or call sign ng ating bagong kasab! Bagong kasab! Oo, dahan-dahan! Alright. Buntik na yun na, buntik na. What's your name?
Bianca.
Uy, Bianca. Taga saan si Bianca? Taga saan? Taga saan si Bianca?
Japan.
Uy, Japan! Ang ganda naman ng pangalan mo, Bianca.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Oh, taga Japan pala talaga to. Oh, your answer is...
Love.
Love. Sinong love mo ngayon?
Sarili ko.
Sarili mo. Tama naman. Love your...
Sarili.
Self. Tama bang